This is the 9/11 Memorial Run in Great Falls, Montana. And the bikers are still showing up. It's not even going to start for another half an hour. It's going to be a big one. These bikes are like 90% Harleys, at least. I had no idea this town had so many Harley riders. This is amazing. Yeah, lots of people still showing up, and we're still 25 minutes till kickstands up. So here I was expecting like 60 or 70 people. There's hundreds. This is pretty cool. These are my friends, Nate and Billy. And Linda.
Got myself a Harley now, my days are all filled up. Riding around with all my friends and thinking that we're tough. They cost a lot of money, so I saved up my last dime. I got myself a Harley, now I live the ride. When I first got my Harley, man, I tore that sucker down. Stripped it right down to the frame and I rode all over town. From shop to shop and marketplace, trying to find that perfect part. I sold my soul to rock and roll, but my Harley's got my heart. Some guys prefer to drink and drive from the backseat of a car. Some guys will take an Uber when they go out to the bar. Some guys will spend an hour each night just to walk their dog. And every time I leave my house, I take my Harley home. 'Cause now I got myself a Harley, and my days are all filled up. Riding around with all my friends and thinking that we're tough. They cost a lot of money, so I saved up my last dime. I got myself a Harley, now I live the ride, ride to live. My world's a little different now, and all I do is ride. When I get on that open road, man, I feel alive. 80 cubic inches just below my seat, and a pocket full of toothpicks to pick the bugs out of my teeth. I like to ride 'em naked, and I ride 'em fully dressed. I even like those bobbers, but the choppers are the best. You can keep your pickup truck, brother, you can keep your car. And I keep everything I own tied to my sissy bar. 'Cause now I got myself a Harley, my days are all filled up. Riding around with all my friends and thinking that we're tough. They cost a lot of money, so I saved up my last dime. I got myself a Harley, and now I live the ride. I try to take it easy now as often as I can. I ain't got no cows and milk, and I ain't made no plans. I ain't got no troubles, no worries and no time. 'Cause since I got this Harley, all I do is ride. I'm riding in the sunshine, and I'm riding in the night. I'm riding when it's raining, and I ride right out of sight. I'm thinking that I probably always could have been this way. There ain't no way around it, it's in my DNA. Because I got myself a Harley now, my days are all filled up. Riding around with all my friends and thinking that we're tough. They cost a lot of money, so I saved up my last dime. I got myself a Harley, and now I